Okay, so it's been a couple of days and we want to see how your science experiment worked out. First of all, on your paper, we did the steps. What's step number one?
The question, ask the question.
Then is materials. Then we have procedures, and then data and results and conclusion. And so we did all the way to procedures on the last video, but there's something you guys have to do called data. And the word data means information. So on that part of your science experiment, you actually have to look up information about the parts of the plant. And then if you do that, then you will be able to fill in that data part. But now we're on the results part. Results mean what happened in the experiment. So Miss Kramer's gonna tell you what happened when we did the experiment ourselves.
So our celery, it was only left in for a day. So if you leave yours in a little longer, you'll be able to see it better. And we used red, but you can see that the red started to travel up the rest of the celery. Let's see, this one has it pretty good.
That one, it traveled all the way up.
It traveled, you can see all the way, the tubes are really dark all the way up.
That's pretty awesome. Again, if you guys leave it in longer than a day, you're gonna have fantastic results.
Yeah, even this one, like it's all in the leaves.
So
cool.
The red went all the way up to the leaves. Now, again, if you guys leave it in a long time, this whole thing will be red. It will, or blue, or whatever color you use. But look, you guys, look how the red food coloring is traveling all the way up the tubes of the plant. And so you guys, if you were to research some data about celery, you would learn that they have something called xylem in it, which are little tubes that soak up the water. And that's how plants get their nutrients and their water, was because they have roots, and the roots suck up the water. But then on top of that, they have tubes that also suck up the water that are in the stem. So there's all the parts of the plant are important. All right, and then the last part is conclusion. It means, what did you learn from doing this experiment? So again, you just write down there, what did you learn about the parts of a plant? So Ms. Kramer has an idea of how to do this experiment even better. There's another flower that can do this experiment even better than just using celery.
Yeah, so I think you guys have probably done this one before, but you can do the same thing that we did with the celery with a white carnation, and that will make the food coloring appear so much more than green celery.
Yeah, so guys, if you're able to go to the store and get a white carnation, I don't know, Easter time, will they have them? Probably. That's really gonna show, because the white carnation is gonna completely turn a different color. So if you guys do this experiment at home, please send Miss Kramer and I a picture so we can see everything that you guys are doing, all right? Have fun doing your science project, you guys, and take pictures.
Bye.